Hi everyone, my name is Anita and I am the founder and CEO of Adventure Horse Extreme. In 2014 I went to Mongolia to compete in the world's longest, toughest and the most dangerous horse race in the world called the Mongol Derby. I rode 1,000 kilometers in 10 days on wild Mongolian horses, which were not trained. It was the most horrible time of my life, but at the same time the best thing I've ever done. I rode on the steppes of Mongolia over mountains and rivers, stayed with the Mongolian herders, slept in their gur tents and ate their food, which was horrible. I couldn't eat much because I was so excited and I couldn't sleep because when I relaxed, my body started to twitch. So I thought I was having a nervous breakdown. Many riders don't finish this race because of injuries, they fall off the horse, they are exhausted, they give up, they are dehydrated and get food poisoning. I, on the other hand, managed to avoid all of those things and I did just fine. This was my view for 13 hours a day. You might get a little bit seasick of watching this. But imagine this in Iceland on an Icelandic horse. That is what I want to do here. After this madness, I got the idea of making a similar race here in Iceland called the Icelandic Horse Games, which is an extreme horse race across Iceland for advanced and experienced horse riders. There are only 2 other similar races in the world, in Mongolia and South Africa. So this would make the Icelandic Horse Games the 3rd longest horse race in the world. There are many other shorter long-distance races in the world, from 100 kilometers up to 350 kilometers. 600 kilometers, 8 days, 30 riders, and 300 horses. The riders will have to finish 80 kilometers per day on average, which is a lot. They change horses 3 to 5 times a day. There are 20 stations on the route where they change horses and they eat and sleep in mountain cabins and tents. There are vets in all the stations, so the horses will be well monitored. We aim to hold the first games August 28 to 4th of September 2017. The competition fee will be 3 to 4 million Icelandic kronur. One of the ideas we have is that, for example, one company will sponsor each rider and pays for his competition fee, so when people register, they have to pay a registration fee and then we draw from a lottery, which some lucky riders will be able to participate and be fully sponsored. The market group is advanced and experienced horse riders, adventurous people and adrenaline junkies who like to test their limits. This is an event that gives us the opportunity to bring the adventurers to Iceland because I think this group is much bigger than we think. A traveler and adventurist who is ready to pay a high premium fee to take part in such extraordinary and unique experience. When you see an Icelandic horse rider, you see someone in dirty clothes or in a traditional competition outfit, which is white pants, black boots, and jacket. We are making a new image of the endurance rider. The endurance rider needs different equipment. He needs more comfortable and lightweight outfit and more protection. This is me in Mongolia. As you can see, this is not an Icelandic horse. And this was my outfit there. My intentions were not to make this some kind of image, but by accident, this is how the look evolved. This is how I want to market the endurance rider. And with time, we want our product to look like this and go more into product development. This is also an opportunity for sponsors to connect their brand with endurance and challenges, since we will offer sponsors to label the outfits and aim to sell the broadcasting right of the competition. The reason we need this kind of equipment is this. This woman actually paid a lot to look like this, and she's dying to do it again. So you can see that some people, they do whatever it takes to reach their goals. And as you might have noticed, this is not for everyone. This will be extremely difficult, and it should be. People want something new and special, and they are ready to sacrifice a lot. For those who don't want the excitement and danger of the competition, but wants to experience an extreme adventure in a rough and beautiful landscape, where you can expect all kinds of weather and uncertainty, we offer an extreme horse trip along with the race. The riders will help to herd the horses to all the stations and get the opportunity to ride the same route as the competitors without the dangers of racing. The team consists of me, the founder, Agla Elisabeth Hindriksdottir, the project manager, and the horse owners who are so kind to lend us their horses, Bjarni Páll Vilhjálmsson and Hjalti Gunnarsson. So we already have got 300 horses for this. This is a very special event in an extraordinary nature where the riders will get the opportunity to ride the Icelandic horse, a horse that is known for being extremely versatile, with 5 gaits, great strength, and a very special temperament. And now is the time to focus on his endurance. We are looking for sponsors, so if you are interested or if you know of someone who might be interested, we will be here afterwards, and my contact information are also on the one-pager. Let the games begin. Thank you.